all kinds of car parts and tools. It's a swap meet. Old tools. Just, they have everything here from carburetor to body panels, engine block, crank, pistons. $1969 Chevelle, $396. Wow. Somebody wanted to rebuild when you could. I mean, it's the last days, so a lot of things have sold. But there's still a lot of good stuff here. Toys, models. Wifey. You find a lot of really good old tools here. A lot of guys selling a lot of Craftsman ratchets. The old school Craftsman ratchets. Door regulators. Tail lights. There we go. Because I seen one earlier had a intake manifold with a triple carb on it.
Check that out. That's my stuff. Lady sitting here, she's eating a donut and she's drinking a beer. Frothing slaughter.
Oh yeah, the Michelin Man. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Plastic. He's fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Yeah. All sorts of stuff here. I mean, unfortunately, I couldn't get here the first day. I'm sure there was tons of stuff here. A lot more. There's still a lot of stuff here. I mean, speakers, roof racks, oil pans, collectible cars, carburetors, old plates, all sorts of stuff. These swap meets are always fun. Tools, fenders, to what? I have no idea. Yeah. These springs.
Well, we don't drop access, but I can give you a guy's name. Call the shop on Monday.
More intake manifold.
Okay.
Wow. 4 carb. Holy crap. Wow. They're all 2-barrel. Here are a bunch of carburetors right here. Old tires. Rims. Bumpers. You name it. It's in here. All sorts of doodads and parts. Kids' toys even. So, more intake manifolds. Heads, you name it. Tail lights. Chevy rims. This is like an old guy's paradise right here. Stacks for a semi.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So you don't burn your hands on them. Also, this is what I mean by old tools. Some of these are no-name brand, but I've seen one table had a whole bunch of Craftsman. The older Craftsman, the original ones. Somebody painted that one all up. Yeah, still a lot of stuff. License plates. I love all these. Yeah. Tons of old plates. These ones are huge. That's really cool. That's big. A lot of old New York plates and everything else. Old 59 Ford radios. Yeah. Wow. 1999. Lots and lots of old plates. Wow.
Mississippi.
Yeah. Huh. Tennessee, Texas,
North Carolina.
Nevada, North Carolina. Yeah, wow. Old school nitrous bottles. Wow.
What is this for?
Oh, it's a strut tower bar. That's what that is. Not old, but
Anybody need some tires?
sure. There you go.
There you go.
Need some tires, guys? There you go. Hit them up. There was one booth I seen. They had a whole quarter panel for an old Ford Bronco. So if you recognize any of these parts, leave a comment.
Oh,
Use the
okay.
one, yeah. The wife. I guess they're older Tonka toys. Those are pretty cool. Is it? Yeah. Trying to remember where it's at because it was such a big piece.
But if you don't have a repair guy,
I don't remember where it's at. No, my luck, I'll find it when I'm not paying attention. But yeah, I mean, as you can tell, there's old Coca-Cola signs, a blimp, old kids' toys. Wow. So a lot of neat stuff here. A lot of it. I mean, a lot of old, there's some new stuff here. Old Krager rims. Wow. Old Chilton's manuals. And you don't see these anymore. Not like that. A lot of guys, you know, do metalworking here. They cut stuff out. And then there's an old Schwinn bike. Along with some carburetors. That bike is pretty cool. Definitely been restored because you can tell the rims have been cleaned up. But it looks gorgeous though. Little parking meter. You can go from a parking meter, a bike, to a milkshake machine. And that is a tiny transmission. Small transmission.
picture now you gotta buy it.
Oh, okay. Old stuff. License plate brackets for old cars. Distributor caps. Old bulbs. Wow. I mean, these are really old. I mean, these have been stuck away for years. Floor pans. So what? I have no idea. Oh, there we go. 68 to 72 A-body. Wow. Ford support up front. Yeah, all the old radios. A lot of old radios here.
That you would need.
Yeah, old, yeah, coats if you're doing body work. Holding on trim pieces and that.
Yeah.
In here, I'm gonna go in here real quick because I've seen some old car parts. One of the rooms that are off to the side. Old heads and yeah. Yeah. Rear ends, flex plates. More carbs, more heads, control arms, shocks. Wow.
If you need a replacement door.
Yeah, if you need a door for something that looks like it's out of the 80s. To what I'm not exactly sure. Definitely out of the 80s though. Not sure what it goes to. Timing chain covers. Wow. Old flex fan. Old Chevy hubcaps. Oh god, APC. I remember when these parts came out. American Parts Company. Fast and Furious can glamorize these things like no tomorrow. These things are so old and they're still in the package. I mean, these were all popular like 20 years ago. Wow. I mean, yep. Halogen lights. Wow. Oh, those are going back.
All right, we're getting close to the last call on a 50-50 split.
Yep, I guess they're doing a 50-50 call.
For about another 5-10 minutes, drawing no later than 2 p.m. So last call for the 50-50.
Oil
We're going to
cans.
draw a winner at 2 p.m.
A lot of people have already packed up and left, which is no big deal. Yeah. Old C-clamps and these are actually fire extinguishers. I had to have one of these and I gave it away. Wow. Gave it away to a buddy of mine who had a old Mustang. He did mount it. Never had to use it. I don't even think it worked. Because I don't think they hold the pressure for that long. But yeah. Everything from car parts to candy. Carhartt clothes. Gloves. All sorts of stuff. Hats. Yeah, tool sets. They got everything here. Gumball machines. These are just old stock too. Air fuel ratio or yeah. Wow. $10. A lot of older Porter cable tools. This is cool, the old oil cans and that. Old gas pump. Wow. Airplane. Older kids' toys too, the old Tonka fire trucks. And this one looks like it still works. Wow, when they built toys. Jeez, a lot of dump trucks for Tonka toys. Jeez. Chrome rings, those look pretty new. These are, you can tell, are all repops. Old oil cans. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. I'm going to walk around some more and see what they have. Till then, like, share, subscribe. And as I always say, see you guys on the next one.